Hi everyone, I'm Ken from Crypto Trading KS. Let's run the numbers. Bitcoin currently up 2.87% to 58,671. Ethereum up 5.66% to 4484. My mission is to assist you to be more of a financial blessing to yourself and those you love, and also gain real wealth in the process. Rule 28, opportunities reset daily. That's true in the crypto market, and it's very true in life. Every day we have the opportunity to gather more real wealth. Real wealth includes inner and outer peace, integrity, decency, courage and honor, purpose and fearlessness, fulfillment and meaning. They're all the special things that make life truly valuable. Let's have a look at the 30-day greatest percent gainers. We can see in front Sandbox, Gala, LRC, Mana, Bora, CRO, IOTEX, KDA, WAX. Let's have a look at their technicals and understand what position in the cycle they are. We can see a very rapid increase in Sandbox, the Sandbox price, and it's come back and found a lower level of support and continuing up. It definitely has the market's attention, as does Gala. We can see Loopring is a little bit more mature. Loopring is more mature. How cute. Good on you, Loopring. We can see Loopring has found a level of pullback support and then is just consolidating above this resistance and has shot out from that. If it can clear that previous high, it's going to do really well. Decentraland, Mana, same kind of idea. The first pullback, draw up a support line. It's really important. When you see these particular cryptos take off like a rocket, and that is literally like a rocket, it's going to have mid-air refueling. It's going to come down. It's just the way it is. And then it'll sputter around a little bit and seek to take off again if it gets enough fuel, if it gets enough attention from the market. We can see CRO, Crypto.com, doing really, really well. And it's quite a nice chart, not quite as takeoff-ish as these other ones, but more reasoned in terms of its uptrend. Now, why do I say that? It's because CRO was forming upward support through here. You can see that upward support is very low on these other ones, for example. And Decentraland is not looking too bad at all. IOTEX has managed to break out from resistance. It went up the wall, came down the stairs, up the wall, down the stairs, up the wall, and it's currently on the landing. It's trying to figure out if it has enough strength to keep on going. Cadena is looking quite good. KDA, it's got a very nice uptrend here. And you can see these kind of uptrends are like early type uptrends. They are the ones we are most interested in getting in on. We can see WAX. WAX is also looking good. These early uptrends are the better ones. They tend to be safer. So does that mean you just go all in? Absolutely not. Never do that. Rule 41, layer buy positions. These really big gainers can actually retrace 50, 60, even 70%. You've got to be aware of that. Let's have a look at the top 30% losers. OMG, Waves, Cello, Quant, Tezos, Cake, Atom, Near, Phantom and Aave. Doing the top 8, we can see that many times these were top gainers and they turned around and became top losers. That's what I was saying previously. We have to manage the top gainers and top losers carefully, but it's really good to understand there's always opportunities in the market, especially if we catch them early on. When we look at OMG is under resistance at the moment. Waves is also under resistance. We want a particular crypto to get above resistance and do some form of consolidation after it comes down hard. We can see Cello, it absolutely rocketed off And what does it do? When things go up the wall, they tend to come down the stairs. There was a degree of power underneath Cello, and it's coming back to its supports. Let's see if it can actually hold that. We can see Quant is still under resistance. Quant was an absolutely sensational performer, and of course it will be again. It's just a question of time. Tezos, we can see Tezos broke its upward support. It's now under resistance. I show you this so you can get familiar with both sides of the market. It's really, really valuable for you. Cake is, you can see, under resistance, turn to support, now under resistance again. Cake has been selling off quite hard. Having a look at Atom. Atom is below its support. That means it's under resistance, and it's under resistance here. Trying to make a play, trying to get back above that resistance. You can see Atom is very much like OMG, but Atom has not sold off to the degree that OMG has. It's a lot stronger. Near, again, another really powerful crypto coming up, just lost its support. It's under resistance. Rule 444, ignore tips, advice and marketing. Always do your own research and get into what you've researched thoroughly. Let's have a look at the community picks. We can see VRA is coming back to its level of support and it's bouncing. Good on you, VRA. Icon is also seeking to get above this resistance and turn it to support. It's just a little bit under. We can see Theta cradling. This is a really good look. This is the kind of look that we look for. It's the look that we look for. Absolutely. It's got the look. IOTA is doing quite well. You can see it's breaking out of multiple resistance levels and it's got support below. Will it mean that IOTA could shoot straight up? Probably unlikely. What happens and what tends to happen is we get shootouts and retracements. So definitely it could shoot up, but always be aware of the shooting down moment. And that's really important to lower your average buy price as you buy in an upwards direction. You don't want to buy at the peak every single time. You want to layer your buys. Really, really important. Matic. We can see Matic is looking exceptionally healthy. It's above a level of once resistance turned to support and it's cradling. This is exactly what we want to see. And it's also being supported. Algo is also showing a bit of interest here. We can see it's come back to its support level. It does have a little bit of overhead resistance through this consolidation area, but hopefully it'll get above that and party again. We can see that big spike, all of that supply, all of that interest came into the market. Looking at AVAX, we've got a very nice upwards support line, and we have a boxed in resistance line here that AVAX just recently got above. We can see it wobbling around these two areas. This is not bad. Buying around support is always the best way to go. Cartesi, spiky Cartesi is always an interesting project. We can see Cartesi really likes to party. When it gets going, it shoots straight up the wall, comes up the elevator, comes up the lift, goes down the stairs. But look at this positive momentum here. Just keep an eye on Cartesi. It is absolutely an interesting project, and from a spike trading perspective, it's really good. I mentioned a couple of episodes ago that this particular support line was looking quite interesting. I've actually accumulated some Cartesi waiting for that spike. It's really important to make in advance probabilistic choices. What will you do if your beloved alts shoot to the moon? Many people would say, well, that's what I want, but how are you going to cope when they go parabolic? What will you do? It's a really important decision, a choice to make. What will happen if your alts melt down? What would you do then? What would happen? What would be your choice if your alts just went sideways and got terribly boring? You need to have this mindset all the time. It is the mindset of professional investors and professional traders. Our community is all about Rule 774, master yourself to master the markets. Financial markets are full of anxiety, and doubt can attack everyone at any time. It's really important to master yourself. That's why I put out the Real Wealth series, 10 Steps to Increase Happiness. Episode 335 is a really interesting episode. Episode 328, 10 Ways to Bring Out Your Best. I think you would find it quite interesting. Episode 324, 10 Ways to Create Optimism. Who doesn't like optimism? It's good to have a positive outlook. I'd like to thank the very kind and generous community members who reached out and bought me a coffee on buymeacoffee.com/cryptotradingks. Thanks so much, everyone. I'd like to thank Gabriel from Scotland. Thank you for your generosity. Finding you has improved my mental health 10 times. That's fantastic. Sharing positive karma. Very nice. Thank you also to Steve. We hope you are enjoying your coffees. Thank you, my friend. From time to time, I definitely need those coffees. And for the people who remained anonymous, that's so nice of you. Thanks so much. And to PJ, Ken, you're a gem. You are too, PJ. And also the community is just so wonderful. It's just an honor to know you all. I'm still preparing the masterclass information. It will be in video format. And I, of course, always absolutely do my best to produce the highest quality work. I'm very happy with what I'm producing. And when I have a few more videos, I'll be able to open up early access to the masterclass. If you are interested in the Crypto Trading KS Masterclass, please email me at ken@kenstanfield.com. Stanfield has 2 Ds in it. When in the crypto market, it's really important to have and maintain a positive attitude. It's really, really important for your profitability and to combat any self-doubt that you may feel. It's very nice and very warming to know that you're worthy and unique. And you're worthy because you are unique. There will only ever be one of you in this world. That means that you have a mission to accomplish here. And that mission is one of positive excellence, not one of negative excellence. It's to be the best of the best in a positive way, to bring all your talents, all your special gifts to bear, and to serve others in some positive and meaningful way. You deserve kindness, love, meaning, and every success in life. Just set your targets on your mission and go for it. A life-affirming mission, something that helps others, is a very beautiful way to live your life. I hope you found the content useful. Please consider sharing and liking this video if you think it will help others. Thank you very much to our moderators for keeping our community safe from scammers. Please say hi and let me know where you're viewing from and if you have any questions. If you would like daily updates on price movements in the crypto market, please subscribe to YouTube. I've left helpful links in the description of this video. Please remember, crypto is volatile. Always prepare yourself for the best and worst case scenarios. Reality will likely be between them. Stay safe out there, take care, and see you next time. Bye for now.